Joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2016 Chrysler Town and Country in gray silver with black cloth interior, seating for 7, 4 doors and a hatch. And this has got a 3.6 liter V6 front wheel drive engine. It's really easy to get into this flex fuel. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage with lighting as well as speakers in the door, power locks, windows and mirrors, and the ability to vent the back windows. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. Your dash controls as well as your cruise control are on the face of the steering wheel. When we start up the vehicle, we're going to see any important messages appear, and as well we can toggle through the different selections. So you've got your vehicle info, and then you can go through for the different options. I can go back again and toggle through different information about the oil pressure, engine hours, and so forth. So you can just go through each possible message, and they have sub-menus. You have an automatic shifter, and in the center a display screen. So when you put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view. You also have hands-free dialing. There's your radio controls with AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio. And below that you can actually push, and that's where you're going to pop in your CD, and then you push it again, and then you've got your audio and menu and auxiliary line there as well. An analog clock, and your air vents are there. You've got dual climate control for both driver and passenger, as well as front and rear defrost. And down below, econ, hazard lights, and traction control. Little cubby, and down below you're seeing your 12-volt outlets, more room to put things. A couple of cup holders, another little bin. As well, you've got armrests for both driver and passenger, and 2 glove compartments, the lower one being locking. A manually dimming rear view mirror. There's your garage door opener. You also have your lighting controls located there, sunglass holder, and then you can put it 3/4 of the way. And I always have a little bit of trouble getting that, but then you can see what's going on in the back. And as well, you have the controls for the sliding doors, as well as the release for the hatch. 17-inch wheels, body colored door handle, driver's side fuel cap. The back hatch has a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and the backup camera is located just below the Town and Country. When you're ready to open up that hatch, you can do so from inside, or you can double click your fob. You can also release the side sliding doors using the fob as well. And inside it's nice and roomy and carpeted. I've got one of the seats down and the other one up, and they're numbered 1 through 4, so you just follow the numbers to bring them up or down. There's also bins off to the side, and then when you're ready to close everything up, there's a button off to the left there that powers it down, or you can put your hand in one of the handles and pull down. I'm going to use the button, just a little bit easier on my back. And there you go. And then it'll chime to let you know that it's going down securely. You can lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. There are 2 ways to easily open the passenger sliding doors. You can either pull the handle and it powers it open for you, or you can use the fob. There's a grab handle making it easier to get in. 2 seats in the center row here, and they fold flat right into the floor for extra cargo space. As well, they have armrests on both sides to be able to get comfortable. And then when you want to get the seat right out of the way, simply pull the lever at the base. It'll flip right out. You now have access to the back area. There's 3 seats back there, and I folded one of them into the floor, so it's a 60-40 split. You've also got a couple of cup holders and bins off to the side, and you're seeing down there a 12-volt as well as a 110 outlet. And then when you want to bring the seat back, you simply push with your hand and then flip it back up and flip up the headrest. Up above there's lighting, climate control, and there's 3 bins there for storage. There's also carpeted mats on the floor and slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage. As well, on the other side, you've got a grab handle. Glass in the back windows, roof rails, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.